Hey friends, it's Timothy Curver here at Stolfus RV in Westchester, Pennsylvania. I thought I'd come out real quick and do a walk around of the Grand Design Reflection 341. Let me spin this. Yes, so it's a rear dining salon. So this is the fifth wheel. As you can see here, this is the storage where your battery would go. We have a 30 LP tank, one on each side. We have a little storage underneath here on the fifth wheels that goes all the way through. This is a 50 amp unit. Notice all the aluminum framing. That is the bones to this unit. This is a great floor plan. It has opposing slides in the back. It also has a 21-foot power awning with speakers. You have Goodyear Endurance tires, aluminum wheels, outside TV with coaxial. This is the slide here. So from the inside, it's opposing slides. And in the back here, you do have a receiver for 200 pounds for a bike rack. There's also a ladder that goes up to the top for maintenance on it, and it also has a backup camera. So let's go inside. People always love to see the interior of these things. So this is the 341 RDS, and this is a 4-season unit made by Grand Design, and this is in the reflection line. So this is a starting point for them. As you go in, there's your main area that you're introduced by. This is your kitchen sink. It's a two stainless steel sink, half on each side, plenty of counter space for any kind of storage, a coffee maker, Keurig, Instapot. Here's all your controls for everything. This unit also has dimmer switch for the lights. Little access panel there. There is your booth dinette right there that converts into a desk, or it also goes to extended seating or space saver. So there's plenty of counter space there. There is a side-by-side refrigerator. Your chef-inspired kitchen with the stove top on the top, and then you also have this great looking oven on the bottom, a large microwave, and plenty of storage. So this is the real takeaway of this unit. So we have 2 theater seatings that face the large TV in the back with a fireplace. Then you have 2 queen-size sleeper, one on each side. I stand corrected, those are not queen sleepers, but they are full. There's a large pantry closet right there, and this is a large slide. Really beautiful coach. As we go back into the kitchen area, there's a view of it. We could also go up your steps here. And then off to the left will be our restroom. So there is the bowl right there, and also the medicine cabinet, large sliding glass doors. This is just like a home. So if somebody needs to sit down there, shave their legs, you can also have beautiful shower head, and then there's a porcelain toilet with plenty of closet space. Once you come out of the bathroom, then you would go into the main bedroom. This is a queen bed. As you can see on each side, it has a little area for charging stations, your night drink, whether you have water in the middle of the night. At the foot of the bed, we have your dresser, and then you also have cabinet space above. This is if you want to put a TV on this side too. It has all the wires above it that you can just connect the TV. In the front here is this large mirrored closet. So the doors are open right now. But this is where if you'd want to add a washer and dryer, washer on one side and dryer on the other side, it is plumbed for that. So this does have a second air conditioner. So this is a 50 amp unit. So just thought I would get it out there and see if there was any interest on this unit. So if you want, 610-348-3050, and I'd be happy to wrap this up for you, and we'll get you out on the road and enjoying life. Bye-bye now.